Hey, welcome to Tooltime John. Today we're going to be swapping out the Wi-Fi router that I've been using for something a little bit better. So I don't know if you've had issues where, the Wi-Fi router that you've been using has met your needs, and now that with all this technology and everything, your needs are greater than what your current router can actually take care of. So that's what we're going to do today. So that's the current setup. It's a Netgear Nighthawk AC1750 with the 3 external antennas. It's done pretty well, but this is what I'm moving to. I saw this TP-Link mesh system, and I like it because it can cover up to 5,600 square feet. Why that's important to me is I certainly don't have a 5,600 square foot home, but I've got security cameras that'll be all around the property. So I need pretty good coverage and to be able to send me alerts like this one that I just got from the Ring, so that I can get alerts in a timely fashion whenever events happen, right? So just pick this up. You can get it anywhere. Amazon, Staples, whatever. So this ran me about $150. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and we'll get it installed. And hopefully it's not going to be too much of a bear, particularly with establishing the Wi-Fi itself and the password. What's that going to do to all my devices? Do I have to re-log in to everything? What about all the peripheral stuff, like cameras and things like that? I don't know, we'll see. It comes with a 2-year warranty. That's nice. They're smaller than I thought they were going to be. Quick installation guide. This thing comes in 26 different languages, telling you to go to the App Store or Google Play to download the installation instructions. So it's the TP-Link Deco app. You gotta create a TP-Link ID. So once your account is registered and activated, you'll have to do certain things before installing, such as using your camera on your phone and scanning your device. So it shows to power off the modem and remove the backup battery if it has one. Disconnect the old router from the modem before moving on. Connect your modem's LAN port to an Ethernet port on Deco and power them both on. Now that that is stable, the light is flashing blue. Solid yellow, Deco starting up, please wait. Pulsing blue, Deco is ready for setup. Please turn on your phone, tablet's Wi-Fi and control center to continue setup. Found it. Where have you placed this Deco? In the living room. Network name. Deco is now set up. This is the base station, if you call it that. It's hooked in to the internet service provider's modem, and so far it's doing pretty well. I made that one the second satellite, and it's located in the office. And this unit is in the bedroom, the last one, because it's on the opposite end of the office, which is on the other end of the house. I think I'm pretty pleased with the setup. You can tell when it's supposed to be working with a green light at the bottom of it. If it's anything other than green, there's something up. I guess only time will tell if I get the coverage that I need, and as I'm re-adding the devices to the network, because I had to do that. I haven't figured out a simple way of replacing your Wi-Fi router with another router, especially if it's a different brand, and automatically have all of those devices reconnect. I guess I could have called the Wi-Fi the same name as the old one, but I didn't want to. So anyway, I'll let you know how it goes, but If you want to know, exactly what the link is to the product, I'll have it in the description box below. This was not sponsored at all. So just wanted to let you know that. The old router, which has actually served me very, very well. I purchased it back in 2018. The only limitation is that it's up to 25 devices. And this is supposed to cover up to, I think, 1,750 square feet. I think what I'll do with this is I will have a drawing for it. I don't know, maybe I can get more subscribers. So that'll be in a future upcoming announcement on when the giveaway for this is. If you want it, then you can submit your name into the hat. I appreciate it. Thanks for the view, and if you learn anything, terrific. And until next time, see ya.